Hello students, welcome to question hour session of Ajmal IS Academy. Here we will be discussing 5 MCQs from the daily newspaper The Hindu and Indian Express. Let's start the session. Our first question is on MRV system. Statement 1 says, under the Paris Agreement, MRV system are used to track emission, adoption progress and climate finance in relation to NDCs. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says MRV framework globally rely primarily on community generated database. This is an incorrect statement as it uses remote sensing and administrative dataset. Statement 3 says COP30 reinforces the MRV mechanism through the global implementation tracker. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes 1 and 3, that is A. Let's move on to the second question. The second question is regarding the biggest source of farm-related greenhouse gas emission. Options are cotton cultivation, paddy cultivation, dryland millet farming, and horticulture under protected cultivation. Here the correct answer is B, that is paddy cultivation. Let's move on to the third question. The third question is regarding LDL. Statement 1 says LDL is responsible for transporting cholesterol to various parts of the body. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says cholesterol carried by LDL is essential for hormone synthesis, vitamin D production and bile acid formation. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says LDL is called bad cholesterol and is harmful at all levels. This is an incorrect statement as certain level of LDL is required for the body to function normally. So answer here becomes 1 and 2, that is A. Let's move on to the fourth question. The fourth question is regarding the Viksit Bharat Shiksha Adhisthana Bill 2025. Statement 1 says the bill proposed to repeal the UGC Act 1956, the AICTE Act 1987 and the NCTE Act 1993. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says the regulatory commission under the bill will have the power to give grants to higher education institute. This is an incorrect statement as the regulatory commission will not have the power to give grants to higher education. Statement 3 says the bill seeks to establish a single higher education regulator in line with National Education Policy 2020. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes 1 and 3, that is A. Let's move on to the fifth and the final question. The fifth and the final question is regarding integrated rice farming and its outcome. Statement 1 says reduction in methane and nitrous oxide emission. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says increase in rice yield and overall productivity. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says complete elimination of carbon dioxide emission. This is a correct statement as integrated farming leads to increase in carbon dioxide emission because of increasing biological activities. So answer here becomes A, that is 1 and 2. That's all for today, and you can find all this question in our social media platform. Thank you.